Anushka and I'm from Miss Malini Fashion, and I'm standing here today with Shilpa Shetty Kundra in this beautiful house, I must say.
Thank you.
So everyone knows that you look really, really hot and
you.
really, really pretty when you're in a sari.
Thank you.
But not a lot of people know that you're a pro at wearing one yourself.
Well, I don't know if I'm a pro or not, but I think I've learned over the years. And I had a good teacher, my mother, who wears her saris impeccably, even today. And I love what you've done with your hair. Is that real?
It's all real.
Those are real little flowers. She's
And that's real hair, you guys.
and real hair. Yeah.
Now back to the sari.
Yeah, back to the saris. So, I mean, the saris really are an attire that I believe are timeless and very, very fashionable, whether it be in India or abroad. It's something that you can wear for a formal do, for a casual do. It just depends on how you drape it. And, there are drapes that are plenty.
Yeah.
So it just depends on how you want to do it. And sari is the best thing if you have some fat camouflage as well, and a lot of women have that problem. So even me, when I had my baby, no, I'm not joking, I put on 32 kilos. I keep harping on that. So at that time the sari was the only attire that I fit into. Yeah, so I could, and you didn't have to buy another outfit, so the old saris also would come to use. You only had to make a new blouse. So yeah,
So
that's a great idea.
What would your favorite kind of sari be?
I like the conventional chiffon because it's easy to drape, and in this heat now where we've hit summer, not really, but it's kicked in like big time.
Yeah.
And I don't know what will happen by end of May,
Oh God,
but
let's not
I'm
talk
dreading
about
it. But chiffon, georgettes are fabrics that are very easily malleable, and they hug the body. They're very complimentary, and they make you look much thinner.
Yeah. So we have Sana from our fashion team who has a million weddings to attend this season for someone.
I'm
So-
actually rushing to one.
Yeah,
also.
she's rushing to one.
I don't normally dress like this.
But it'd be fine if you did because you look lovely.
Oh, thank you.
So we're gonna bring in Sana, and Shilpa's gonna show us how she could drape a sari herself on Sana. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe.